Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to install plugins, okay? How to install plugins in Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's start with the plugin. Okay, so I've downloaded this plugin. So yeah, after you download the plugin, it's zipped. Plugins that you download are usually zipped. So what you want to do is double click on it to unzip it, of course, and then copy that folder. You want to specifically copy that folder, okay? It's very important. And then next step, what you do is as you see, I have a lot of folders, don't mind those. Next step, you want to go to movies and then go to motion templates, okay? If you don't have this folder, you can actually make your own motion templates folder, but make sure after you create a folder, you go to Get Info and make sure it says Motion Templates .localized, okay? You'll need that. That's very important. That's how Final Cut Pro actually reads it in general. So then once you have that, double click on the folder. Your view might be a little bit different than mine, so you might have a list view. And if you do have a list view like this, or you'll have a columns view, still it's about the same difference. Just go here, and then after you go here, put in whatever thing yours is. Like if it's a transition, put in transitions, effects, so on and so forth. Since mine is an effect, I would paste it here, just the whole folder, and that would be that. If you don't have these folders, effects, generator, title, transition, you can create them. Make sure it's spelled exactly correct. Make sure they are all capitalized. And just like before, go to Get Info and make sure .localized is there. Again, those are needed for Final Cut Pro to read it. And then after that, we will restart Final Cut Pro and make sure everything's working. Okay, we are in Final Cut Pro and we did an effect. So let's go to effects, and we see our effect is right here under effects. So that was pretty simple to do. Now, there is a rare chance that there could be a customs folder. I personally have stuff in my favorites folder, just like things that I use quite regularly. But yeah, and this is how you install a plugin. It works the same for all of them. Just put them in the appropriate folder. Again, if you have like a transition, put it in the transition folder. Title, put in the title folder, so on and so forth. And hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.